Awesome. Chalo. The very first thing which I want to tell you, what we are going to learn today will be helping you to set up your campaign right from basic, okay, right from deciding your campaign objective, understanding where you need to take people, like whether you should take them on a website, whether you should take them on a product page or a landing page. We are going to discuss about every single thing. We are also going to discuss about why you are not able to generate leads or why you are not able to generate sales. Now, what should be the strategy which you need to use in terms of CBO, ABO, budgeting, and everything? We are going to discuss about every single thing which you required. What I want you to keep in your mind when you are going to set up campaign with me today or after this session, because there will be few things which you will not have right now. For example, ad creative or ad copy or your website or your landing page. You will not have that. So I'm not going to ask you to set up the campaign right now. But what I want you to do is and understand that you understand every single thing in order to set up your campaign. And along with homework, you will be able to set up the campaign. When you set up your campaign, you are not going to activate your ads. Remember, setting up a campaign is one thing and activate your ads is different thing, because there are few more things which I want to teach you before you activate your first ad that we are going to discuss in future session. Once we are done with that, I will ask you to activate your ads. And once you do that, you will start generating results. Once you start generating results, so we will be having 7-day period where I am going to ask you to run the campaign. After 7 days, once you activate your campaign, in one session, we are going to discuss about the optimization and scaling. For example, if you don't get results, what you do? Next example, if you get results, what you do, which is optimization or scaling. Fair enough. Shall I stop my existing ad? If you are not getting results, there is no point in keeping them activated. Okay, no need to keep them active. Just pause them immediately right now. 2 minute ले लो, अभी pause कर लो. No need to waste a single rupee. ठीक है? Fair enough. Yes or no? Guys, I have one habit. Okay, as a trainer, Himanshu is a different guy. I'm a different guy. So I have one habit. If I don't get any reply in Zoom chat, yes or no, I think that you are not able to understand or I'm not able to convey my point. So if I ask you anything, yes or no, लिख लो. थोड़ा सा समय ले लो, please. थोड़ा effort ले लो. ठीक है? चलो. My next question is, which you have already answered, that are you completing your task? Few people are saying I'm able to complete my task. Few people are saying that I'm not able to because I'm not finding my time to complete my task. It is as good as saying that I am not finding time to grow my business. Okay, the tasks are for you and for your business. The tasks are not going to give us anything. Okay, and being very upfront, being very open to you folks, because at the end of the day, I want to help you guys, right? If you don't complete your task, it's a good thing for us, isn't it? We will be saying you did not got results because you have not completed the task. Yes or no? Yes or no? If you don't complete a task, we can say that you did not complete a task and you are not getting any results. So complete your task. That is a request from my end. It will help you only, right? Now, let's start the session. Okay, let's start the session where I am going to help you generate leads and sales from Facebook and Instagram platform. Now, many people will be like that, Navin, why not Google ads or why not YouTube ads? Because they are too complicated and too expensive compared to Instagram and Facebook. Instagram, pe what you need to do, you just need a creative and you just need an ad copy and you can get started with your landing page or product page. On Google, there are a lot of things which are involved in terms of quality score, in terms of competitor and multiple things, and it is expensive. When we started Skill Nation, or when I used to work with brands, I used to first run ads for them on Facebook, and I used to scale their ad spend to 1 lakh, 2 lakh a day on Facebook itself. Okay, what is your daily budget? Can you please let me know in the Zoom chat currently if you are running ads? Currently, if you are running ads, 130 rupees, ठीक है, 2000 rupees, 20k, 1000, 300, 500 rupees, 400 rupees, right? So can you see the potential? You can reach to 1 lakh or 2 lakh of daily budget. When you reach on that point, then you can think about Google ads and YouTube ads. Why you want to try every single thing at a time when you are not able to take the maximum benefit of these two platforms, which is super simple plus which is result oriented? Okay, So this is what we are going to do, and this is what we are going to learn. We are going to start from the competitor research. Then we are going to select objectives for your business, for your goals. Then I'm going to understand one thing which has changed my observation, the way I run ads in last 3 months. Okay, I recently discovered this, which is ABO versus CBO. Now, what is ABO versus CBO? We are going to understand about that. Then what should be your conversion location depending upon what you want to achieve. Then we are going to do about audience targeting. There are a few things which I want to share with you. You are going to get homework related to audience targeting. We are going to discuss about budgeting, then ad copy, then ad creative, destination, campaign, ad set, and ad structure. This is what you are going to learn. Okay. Agar I'm telling you, okay, at any point, if you think it's getting too much or you are not able to understand anything, write the question on your notebook and clear that doubt before we end today's session. I don't care if I teach you till 1 a.m. today or 12 p.m. or 3 a.m. मेरे को फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. What I care about is I want every single person to set up their campaign. Okay. And in that campaign, there will be 3 ad set and 4 ads. And you are going to understand about every single thing. I want everyone to understand every single thing and set up their campaign within 7 days, including homework. Okay. So you will not be able to set up the campaign today. You will be able to set up the campaign after completing your homework. Is that clear, everyone? अगर भूख लग रही है तो खाना मंगवा लो, अभी खा लो, बट कॉल छोड़ के मत जाना. That is what I want to tell you. One thing which I want to tell you, what you have learned in the last 2 sessions is how you can do high ticket selling, low ticket selling, isn't it? यही सब सीखा है आप लोगों ने? Yes or no? But tell me one thing, if you don't get customer, तो आप sell किसको करोगे? How you are going to sell? And to whom you are going to sell? You have mastered or you have understood about selling, but you need people to sell. You need traffic to sell. You need leads to sell. And today's session will help you with that. So if you don't learn this, my friend, I'm so sorry, but you will not be able to grow your business or increase your profit or increase your revenue. ये सच है, इसको मान लेना आज. चलो. Let's understand about competitor research. There are few things which I'm going to tell you. Okay, I'm going to talk to you straightforward. If I want to share 2 things with you or related to budgeting, I will be sharing that itna budget rakho. Okay, I'm not going to give you the logical reason behind that. Uske piche kya science hai? If I think it is important for you to understand the science, I will let you know the science. If I think it is not important for you, I will not explain that. Okay, fair enough. Are you okay with that? Okay, awesome. Now, the very first thing which we need to understand about competitor research. Guys, do you know who is your competitor? Do you know at what scale they are? Do you know their name? Yes or no? Yes or no? Do you know their name? Okay. You just need to know the name. Even though you don't know the name, I will help you understand who are your competitors, how you can find them. But why competitor research is important before running your Facebook and Instagram ads? Okay. You need inspiration. Okay. Every single person will need inspiration for their business, whether it's about ad creative or whether it's about ad copy or whether it's about audiences. You don't have any idea that what kind of creatives you can create or what kind of ad copy you can write. Even though I give you the strategy, even though I share a formula or a framework with you, you will be still blank. That, I mean, I don't understand that how I can use that for my business, right? And for that, you need to do competitor research. You need to find out what type of ads your competitors are running. Okay. Once you find that out, then it will be a lot easier for you to take their strategies, to find out what they are running and try to create something of your own. Okay. So this is how we have done. We have built Skill Nation like this, or I have ran ads. So when I say Skill Nation, don't only take Skill Nation, also take my past clients which I have worked with. I have worked with real estate business, I have worked with e-commerce business, clothing brand, toffee brands, and different kinds of brands, right? So what we used to do, or what I used to do, first I used to get a client. So for example, it's you, okay, it's your business. Now you know what you are selling, right? You are either selling product or you are selling services. Now there will be few keyword for your product or services, okay? Then what we used to do, we used to do research of that product and a keyword on ad library. We are going to do that practically. And then we used to find out all the ads from different businesses, okay? And when you find all the ads from different businesses, there is something which you will be finding common in all the ads. It can be a communication, it can be a design, it can be a call to action, it can be the structure of the creative, okay? So then you need to replicate that. I'm not asking you to copy. I'm not asking you to copy. Take that as an inspiration and add your brand's touch, okay? And this is how you will be able to create something which is working, but at the same time, it will be different. Clear hai? Is that clear? Why we need to do competitor research? We have not even started doing competitor research yet. Okay. Now there are two things I can conduct the entire session. Number one, I can just take the example of Skill Nation and competitors of Skill Nation, or I can take your business and try to research for your product and service and competitors. We will be taking different businesses every single time. So let me know about your brand or about your business. I don't want to know about your brand name. I don't want to know about your like what you are doing. I want to know the category, like you are selling clothes or you are selling services. What kind of services? I want to know that. Okay. Health and wellness is very broad topic, Ankita. Thoda specific jao. Sportswear. Chalo. We got the answer, guys. No need to mention or no need to type anything. In the next topic, I might take your business name. Okay. If I don't take your business name, don't worry. You can create or you can do every single steps by your own, because I'm going to teach you that. The very first thing which I want you to do is competitor research, right? So how we do that? We go on Google, okay, and we search for ad library. So everything which you are going to learn will be 90% of practical and only 10% of theory or logic formula based template which I'm going to give you. It will be more of practical, because running Facebook ad is more of practical. It's not like a sales where you first create a script and then you practice it. It's not that, right? यहाँ पे हमको practice करनी पड़ेगी. So practice along with me what I'm asking you to do. Search for ad library on Google, and the very first option which you are going to get, which is ad library -Facebook, you need to click on that. Okay, can you click on that? And once you click on that, you need to do two things. Okay, now remember these two things. The number one is location. Okay, let me increase the size. The number one is location. Now which location you are going to select? You are going to select the location where you want to run ads. If I want to run ads in Australia, I'm going to search for Australia. If I want to run ads in India, I am going to search for India. Itna clear hai? Yes. Then it's about category. Okay, if you are running ads related to issues, elections, or politics, select second option. If no, whether you are from real estate, healthcare, kuch farak nahi padta, just select this, which is all ads. Okay. Now the very simple way to do is simply search for a keyword. Okay. So I got one keyword, and that is sportswear. Okay. Now what you need to do, you need to search for sportswear, and then you need to click on enter immediately. Okay. You just need to search for it and you can enter. And this is the ads which you will be able to see. Now, all these ads which you are able to see are ran by different businesses. Okay, Sasa Eyewear, Fashion Factory, Active Plus. So these are the type of ads these brands are running. Now, one thing which you can do, okay, one thing which you can do, you need to first duplicate this. Okay, you need to duplicate this. Always remember that your ad library option which you create, you right click on that and then you duplicate. Why you duplicate, you will understand. For example, you want to see how many numbers of ad this business is running. You hover on their name, then you scroll up and you click on view ads. When you click on view ads, you will be able to find their ads. Okay, you will be able to find their number of ads. So they are running 4 ads. Same way. Now, if you want to go back, you can go back, or you can, the tab which you have duplicated, you can use this tab, right? Same way, you can use this tab. Now, I want to see Fashion Factory kya use kar rahe. I can simply click on that and I can click on view ads. This is how you will be able to view your ads. Is that clear? Itna clear hai, guys? Yes. Awesome. Can you do it for your business? Now, this is just one keyword. Okay. This is just one keyword. Remember this. This is just one keyword. Where is the keyword? Here. Here you go. Sportswear, one keyword. If I search it like this, instead of sports dash wear, space wear, if I search it like this, I will be having a different results. Okay. One thing which you need to make sure while searching, which I am trying to do, is that when I search this, okay, when I search this, I am able to select the Facebook page. You need to make sure that you are not selecting the Facebook page, but you select and you search on the basis of keyword. Okay, now I have selected the new Facebook page, which is new sportswear. So you don't need to do that. If you select the Facebook page, you will be able to see results from only one brand, and it might be 0. So you will be like that for this keyword, there are no searches or no people are running ads. Okay. So that you need to take care of. You can search different words and that will help you find different types of ad. Now, what are the type of research which I'm asking you to do from this ad library option? The very first thing which I want you to do is ad copy. Okay. Read ad copy. I'm going to give you the strategy to create ad copy. Okay. But I just want you to read and I want you to understand what are the important keywords these businesses have used in their ads. Important keyword. Note that word, which is important keyword. You don't need to copy their framework. You don't need to copy their strategy, but you need to copy the important keyword. Is that clear? Like 60% off, get flat 60% off, valid till this, right? These are the important keyword. Discount, best brand, right? Everyone clear? Yes, no? समझ रहा है? Awesome. Great. Now, second thing which we are going to do is we are going to go through their creatives. Now, there is only one thing which I want you to find is either they are running image ad, video ad, or reels ad. Okay. Image ad, video ads, or reels ad. If your competitors are running video ads, you cannot compete with them with image ad. If your competitors are running image ad, it's difficult for you to compete with them with reels or video ad. Because why I'm saying this, maybe they have not tried video ads. You can of course take that first mover advantage, but ideally image ads will work for your brand. Okay. Now it's not that it is sure shot ki aisa hoga hi nahi, but chances are that. Okay. But one of the most important thing and fundamental rules of marketing or Facebook ad is you start with what you have. If I ask you to create a video, it will take 3 to 4 weeks for you to get that video done. You need to write script, you need to shoot, you need to edit and multiple things. उतना समय नहीं है हमारे पास. We need to start getting results as soon as possible. So we all are going to go with image ad. But when you reach to certain level, 15K, 20K daily budget, then you need to use this strategy. I'm giving you the strategy to start on, but also the strategy what you will be doing after this program when you are able to start generating leads and sales. When I'm entering the keyword, it's now showing as in this is what you need to get. This includes as that match your keywords. If you are seeing this option, that means you have researched for the keyword. Showing no ads. ठीक है. If you are searching for a keyword and you are not getting any ads, try different keyword. As simple as that. Simple है, right? एक keyword नहीं दिख रहा तो दूसरा keyword research करो. literally search for your product. For example, right? Product. As soon as, for example, I want to search for Facebook ads. I'm going to search for this, right? This is what I'm going to see. Now, how this particular platform is able to give me results? First of all, this platform is by Facebook only. Okay. So it is giving you the results which we are currently, or people are using their running their ads. One more thing which you need to look for is you need to look for this option, which is active or inactive. Okay. You need to always make sure that you are learning from the ads which are active. ऐसा नहीं है कि you are trying to take inspiration from the ads which is inactive, because there is a reason why ads are inactive, because they are not performing. Okay. So keep that in your mind. Now, what you need to do, once you come here, you can simply click on see ads detail. And once you do that, you will be able to find it. If someone is running one or more ads in this option, you will get next option. If they are not doing that, you will not get any option. You click on X. I'm going to show you that if I get more and more and more an option. Can you see these two ads? Now you will also get one matrix, which I want you to find apart from active, is this ad is used in how many ad sets. This is known as number of ad sets they are using this ad. In सबके ads बराबर से नहीं दिख रहे. I am going to show you my ads, so I am able to understand. I am going to help you understand in better way. Where is Navin Parmar? Navin Parmar यहाँ पे है. चलो, I am going to show you my ads. ठीक है? Number of ads I am running from this page 130. I have 3 page, approx 400 or 300 ads I am running. You see this image ad, only and only image ad I am running in 16 ad sets. That means this ad set is working for me, right? This ad is working for me. Now, if you do research, you will understand that this ad has been run in 16 ad set, but this image ad has been run in 27 ad set. मतलब इस creative से better this creative is working for me, isn't it? Yes or no? What is the meaning of ad set? You will learn. Don't worry, Ria. I will help you understand. आगे आएगा वो. So what is ad set? Just to give you an idea, this is my campaign. When I open the campaign, there will be multiple ad sets, right? This is, I target multiple people, multiple different interest-based people. Like I want to reach out UX designer, marketing, job professional. So these are the ad sets. Okay? So I am using this creative in 27 ad sets. Right? So this is how you need to do research. Is that clear? Creative and ad copy research you will be able to do for your competitors. Yes. Chalo. Great. Great. Now, the second research which we need to do is why I am seeing this ad. Now you know about the creatives they are going to use or ads they are going to use. But how many of you want to find out that what audiences my competitors are running? Like interest based, demographic, job title, what interest they are running, what age group they are running, what location they are running. I want to find out that. Navin, can I do that? The answer is yes, you can do that. For that, what you need to do, you need to use facebook.com. Those who are not on Facebook, you need to create your account on Facebook immediately. There are two reasons. Number one, every single day you need to invest 30 to 40 minutes to just use Facebook and follow the steps which I'm going to ask you and take the screenshot of this. Second thing which you need to do, why you need a Facebook, is because you need to create your ads. And for that, you need the Facebook account. Can you please repeat how to find ad set from X button you used? Sure. So you come here, you go into ad library, okay? You select any page or any business, then you scroll down and you will be able to see this number. Here it will be active, then it will be started. When did I started this creative. What are the platforms I'm using to run my ads? And then this matrix, which is 27 ads, use this creative and text. Clear hai Sana? Yes. Awesome. Chalo. Now coming back to this, which is why I am seeing this ad. Now, why I am seeing this ad is useful to find out the targeting of your competitor. Let me show you that. Okay. You come here, you see this ad, right? Now, Navin, I want to find out which audience you are using to run this ad. How can I find that? How can you find that? It's simple. First, you click on this three dot. Then you click on why am I seeing this ad? You click on this. Then you select this option, which is advertiser choices. And then you will be able to find all the interest which I am using to run that ad. Wow. Mind blowing. Awesome. All the interest of your competitors is in front of you. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this screenshot of this. So in my mobile, if I can show you, literally I can show you. Let me show you. So you understand these are the things which you need to do, my friend. Interest ke screenshots, right? And I create that. I have folder for my different workshops. I have different interest ke screenshots. You need to do that. Because if you think that you will remember these keywords, this interest-based targeting, the answer is no, you will not. Sir, this is visible to everyone. This is visible to every single person who has a Facebook profile. Is that clear? This is only when I see ads, right? What if I don't see any ads? That is not possible, Pravin. Facebook will never let you use their apps without showing you ads. So uski chinta mat karo. Okay, Pravin? My relevant business ad, your relevant business ad will be seen by you if you go on their landing page, if you fill the lead form. There is one more thing which I want to share with you. Pravin, you have asked a very good question. There are people that, Navin, I'm not able to see my competitor's ad, then what should I do? How many of you have this confusion that, Navin, you are showing me this, jo ad dikhega usi ka I am able to do, but what if I'm not able to see the ads? This is what you need to do. You do the ad library research. Okay, you do this research. For example, you come here and this business is your competitors. This business is your competitor. So what you are going to do? You are going to click on their CTA button. You are going to go on their Instagram profile. You are going to go on their website. You are going to like their post. Okay, do this activity. Let algorithm think that you are interested in this business or you are interested in their product and service. Let algorithm think that. Keep doing that for 2 to 3 days. And after in next 4 days or even in second day, you will be able to see the ads. Okay. Rajesh, if they are targeting your specific location, then you will be able to see. Okay. Everyone clear about this? What activity you need to do in order to see their ads? So you can do this, which is why I'm seeing this ad. Let me see. Chalo, this is one of my partners' ad, PowerPoint workshop. Let's find out what kind of ad he is running. Why I'm seeing this ad. Advertiser choices. He is not using any targeting option, but he is using age filter, which is 18 and older. What is his location? He is targeting entire India. Clear? Let me do one more or two more suggestions. So what I have done, I have 2 Facebook accounts, right? This is one of my Facebook account, and I also have second Facebook account, which I'm going to show you. I use both Facebook account, and the feed on both account is very different. The type of ads which I see is very different. Can you see? I've got this kind of ad. Boost your Facebook ad ROI 5-fold. Let me see what kind of ads they are using. What kind of interest they are using. They are trying to target Facebook page admins. They're trying to target 22 to 60 year of age people. They have also added one filter in their ad where they just want to reach out to people who know UK English or US English. And they are trying to target Indian audience only. Yes, powerful way to do competitor research will help you get a lot of idea in terms of, chalo, let's see Himanshu's ad. What kind of audience targeting Himanshu is trying to do. Let's see. He's trying to target people, which is only marketing. He is running single interest strategy, right? Age 23 to 50 and entire India. This is how you will be able to do the competitor research. We all are clear about competitor research. Chalo. Now, once you do competitor research, okay? Once you do competitor research, you need to come on the dashboard. How many of you have the ad account? How many of you have the ad account? Those who don't have the ad account, you need the ad account. Okay. You don't have the ad account, you need the ad account. Keep that thing in your mind. You need to have the ad account in order to run your ads. If you don't have the ad account, this is the course which you need. Now, I am not going to teach you how to create your ad account. How to create your business manager, वो मैं नहीं सिखाऊंगा आपको. So, if you don't have the ad account, you need to create one with the help of this course. Those who don't have the access of my advanced program, you can get the access of my advanced program by communicating with your support member. He will be helping you to get the access by tomorrow EOD. Is that clear? Should we have all ad account separate for businesses? The answer is yes. Different ad account for different types of businesses. Same type of business can be used from one ad account. Okay, you can run the ads for same type of different businesses from one ad account. Awesome. Now, you need to create your ad account, and for that, you need to go through module 2, which is Business Manager Mastery. How to create a business manager, how to create your ad account, and da. Very simple, eh? But when you create your ad account, or what I'm going to ask you to do is I'm going to share one link with you guys. Okay. I'm going to share one link with you guys, and this is the link. I'm just going to ask you to open this link. Maybe you will be able to get the access to your ad account in order to practice along with me. So this is the link which you need to open. Okay. When you open this link, you will be able to see this dashboard. You need to use your or manage your ads from this dashboard. You cannot use your Facebook page or Instagram page and boost your post. Those who boost their post, if you have बहुत ज्यादा पैसा है ना, I am going to share one QR code, just donate me your money. मेरे पास बहुत कम है आपसे, ठीक है? तो boost post नहीं करेंगे हम. We are going to use the ad manager and we are going to select the objective. Now, how many of you are sure that you need to select leads as an objective or sales objective? Yes or no in the Zoom chat very fast. So I got an idea how much time I need to invest. Yes or no, jaldi se batao. Okay, learn from my class. So there is nothing new which I'm going to share. If you learn from my class, उसके अलावा मैं कुछ नहीं बताऊंगा. वो ही same चीजें repeat करूंगा. No, चलो, there is only one person who has not learned from me yet, which is Ravi Kumar. Ravi, there is one thing which I want you to understand, that if you are selling a product, okay, physical product, most probably you will go with leads. You will go with sales. Product can be sold with online payments. Always keep this in your mind. Okay. It is lot difficult to sell a service or a consultation with online payment. What do I mean by online payment? You run the ads, people come on your landing page or website and they make the payment and they avail your product. But the same flow cannot be done for services. You know why? There is one reason behind that. Because we purchase product for only one time, but service involves a lot of things that they are not going to purchase from you only one time. They will be working with you continuously, and they might need to share important things with you in order to get your consultation or in order to get your services. If I take a random example, if someone want to take consultation from you to reduce their weight, They cannot make an online payment, right? They need to understand that who you are and how you can help them. But same thing, I want to reduce my weight, and for that I need to boost my metabolism. So I will buy a protein, or I will buy one medicine or supplement that will help me boost my metabolism from a website. See, my goal is same, but I'm changing that product and service, and things are changing. Yes or no? समझ रहे हो? That you need to understand. So if you are selling a product, it will be sales, but not every time. One thing I'm going to simplify: if you are selling services, you are selling consultation, you will always go with leads. Simple. Leads वाले तो सारे के सारे clear है. Now, coming to sales people. If you are selling expensive product, okay, now the product can be expensive. Now, what do I mean by expensive? If your product is more than 40,000, 30,000, which people will not pay you that easily, then what you need to do? You need to convince them. How you convince them? You always try to convince them with the help of website. That should be your number one priority. Because when you have a website or a landing page or a product page, that will help you sell faster on automation without investing your time or your employees' time. But if that you are not able to do for your expensive product like 30,000, 40,000, 50,000, then you are going to switch to leads, where you generate data, you call, and you convert, just like sales and service and consultation people will be doing. Everyone clear? क्या करना चाहिए? Lalit Raj is asking, what should I do for lead real estate? Real estate, will you buy 2 crore of property using website? Will you buy 50 lakh of property using website? I mean, product for real estate. It's a product. Yes, it is a product. It is not a service. But that product is very expensive. बहुत ज़्यादा expensive है. So you are going to go for leads. Correct? चलो ठीक है. What should I have to do for software as a product? Do people buy software using website, or they want to talk to a support staff before going for a software? Tell me, Tejas, what do you think? There are multiple businesses, right? Everyone is business owner. Let me ask this question to business owner. Business owner, tell me one thing. If I want to sell you one service, software, okay, I want to sell you a software. What do you want? Will you buy that, or you need a demo, or you want my product team to help you with the demo? Demo चाहिए. Very good question. Preeti has answered the logical and right question, which I have explained to you. It depends upon how expensive your SaaS product is. But Indian market जो होता है ना, वो बहुत ही cheap market है. Like, don't take it personally. But Indians don't believe in saving their time. I don't know why. If I sell you a product that will help you save your time, you will think 100 times to buy that product. But compared to that, if I sell you something that will help you boost your social status, you will go for that. I don't know why. So if you are selling a software as a service, I'm going to ask you to start with leads only and don't go for sales. There was someone who asked me about jewelry. I don't want you to ask me this kind of question. Jewelry ka tum mujhe batao. Are you going to call and convert for a jewelry, or you are going to show that jewelry on a website and sell that? It doesn't make any sense, right? So please ask questions if you have confusion. Just don't ask question for my suggestion. It doesn't make any sense. Okay? Navin, we are a franchisee of Dr. Vivek Bindra. We are engaged in selling EdTech product like business coaching program. No one is going to buy your program from a website. You need to generate leads and then you need to sell, because your programs are super expensive. 30,000 se upar hai, right, Rajesh? No problem, Vikram. Rajesh, your programs are more than 30,000. Yes or no? Guys, will you ever pay for any course or any, it's a product only. Will you ever pay for any course 30,000 rupees by seeing their ads? No, right? It's difficult for you. So the only thing which you need to keep in your mind, whether it's about product or service or consultation, तो कभी sales पे जाएगा ही नहीं. You cannot ever run sales based campaign because nobody is going to buy it. That is the fundamental law. Product based business, it's just about, you need to think that can people afford that? And when I say afford that, the afford means they see your ads and they are ready to spend. That is afford ka meaning when I say they will buy from you. Call karke, if I get on a call with you, I can take 10 lakh rupees from you if you have that much amount of money. But will you buy that when you see my ads? The answer is no. Even if you know me, it doesn't really matter. Okay? Correct. To sell this program. Pramod, correct. So that is what you need to do. Everyone clear about sales objective? How you select your sales objective? Simply click on create and then you are going to get two objective. One is leads and sales. ठीक है? Awesome. When we select leads or sales, I'm going to do both. I'm going to select both. I don't want people to have any kind of confusion. So we are going to select both. Yahan pe we have selected sales. Now we are going to set up one more campaign. Yahan pe we are going to select leads and we are going to click on continue. Over here, we are going to select leads. Now, one thing you will be finding, which you might have ignored every single time, is advantage campaign budget. Okay, advantage campaign budget. Now, what is advantage campaign budget and what is advantage ad set budget? So one is known as ABO and second one is known as CBO. Now, ABO is known as ad set budget optimization. Second one is known as campaign budget optimization. If I activate this, okay, my budget will be on campaign level, okay, and Facebook will decide on which ad set Facebook want to spend 800 rupees, which is my daily budget, okay. That will be decided by Facebook. The second way to give your budget is ad set budget. So you decide your budget on ad set level. So for example, we are going to come on the this is my campaign. I have 3 interest in this, right? So if I go with, if you see budget, this is ad set level, guys. So if you come on ad set level and you see budget on this level, that means I am going with ad set budget optimization. So I have kept my budget on ad set level. So every single day, Facebook will spend 800 rupees on this ad set, 800 rupees on this ad set, and 700 rupees on this ad set. But if I keep my budget on campaign level, it will decide that on which ad set it want to spend. Now, on what basis it will decide? It will decide on the basis of results. If Facebook think, for example, I'm going to keep the budget of 2,500 for my campaign. So you are able to understand, right? I have kept the 2,500 daily budget, right? Now, what will happen? That Facebook will decide out of 2,500 on which ad set it want to spend. If it thinks that lead generation wala jo the ad set with the targeting I'm launching can give me more result, it will spend 2,000 rupees on this ad set and 200 rupees on this ad set and 300 rupees on this ad set. It will be very fluctuating and it will be decided by Facebook on the basis of results you might get. You might get. It is not sure that if it is spending 2,000 rupees on this ad set, the short you will get results. It is not sure. But Facebook will try to get results on the basis of objectives you have selected. That is clear about ABO and CBO. Clear about the concept, which one you should select. We are going to discuss about that. I got only one clear. Kuch confusion hai kya? Anyone? Any confusion? तो लिख लो ना, if you don't have any confusion. Awesome. Chalo. Now, talking about this. Whenever you are going to start your campaign, okay, Whenever you are going to start with campaign, you will start with ABO. You will start with ABO, which is ad set budget optimization. This is your campaign. This is my campaign. I will start with ABO. So I will keep my budget on every ad set, which is ad set 1, ad set 2, ad set 3. Okay, this is my 3 budget. I will keep 500 rupees, 500 rupees, 500 rupees. Why we are going to do this? Because what I have done, I have started with CBO campaign as well and ABO campaign as well. For the very first time, when you are launching your campaign for the very first time with new audiences, new interest, ideally I have seen that Facebook will spend money on the audience which is large in size. So this audience size is 1 lakh, this audience size is 3 lakh, and this audience size is 10 lakh. Most of your budget, majority of time will be spent on 10 lakh audience. Even though this 1 lakh audience can convert, but it is easier for Facebook to spend this much money on huge ads audiences if you go with CBO when you start your campaign for the very first time. Because as a business, Facebook want to spend your money. Okay. So if it doesn't have any kind of learning, it will spend your money on the campaign or on the ad set, which has large audience size. But what you do here is you start your ad set with advantage shopping budget. We are going to come to that question. Subramanya, you need to wait for it. Okay. Now coming here, when you go with this, every single day Facebook will spend 500 rupees. Result aa raha hai, nahi aa raha hai, it doesn't really matter. It will spend 500 rupees. After 4 to 5 days, okay, after 4 to 5 days, I'm going to write 5 only, you will understand that this audience is working and this audience is working. For example, just giving an example, or all of your audience is working. Okay. Then what you are going to do, you are going to switch to CBO. Once you have enough data in your ad set, you need to switch after that to CBO. Now, Facebook will not take biased decision on the basis of audience size. It will have one more data of cost per lead or cost per acquisition. So for example, your cost per acquisition or cost per lead was 100 rupees on this ad set, on this it was 200 rupees, and on this it was 180 rupees. Even though the size was very small, but the cheapest CPA or cost per acquisition which you were getting was from ad set 1. So when you change to CBO, Facebook will also consider this ad set to spend your money, because this was the ad set which was giving you cheapest CPL or CPA. Is that clear? Keep 3 days as a decider. The more you keep, the better amount of data or the more data you get. 5 days, 4 days minimum. मैं कितना करता हूं? 14 days. Is that clear? CBO, ABO, strategy clear. Start with ABO. Okay. Then switch to CBO. Now, once you switch to CBO and then you find, now pay attention to this. When you find out that you converted this ad set to CBO, kept the budget 2000 rupees, but it is spending all your money on this and not spending any money on this. Wait for 3 to 4 days and then pause this. You need to pause this and launch this ad set in new campaign with same targeting, same creative. Because we were getting cheapest result from this interest, then why we should not utilize this? Makes sense, right? Logical hai? Yes or no? Able to understand something? Able to find something wow from this session? या फिर ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा complicated या boring हो रहा है? Let me know in the Zoom chat. Going to repeat it, Sana. Let me repeat it once again. Now pay attention to this. Okay, let me not going to clear everything. Let me change the pen color. Yeah. So for example, you started with ABO, okay, you kept this budget 500, 500, 500. Then you figured out that these are the results which you are getting. The CPA is, this is CPA, cost per acquisition, is 100 rupees, 200 rupees and 100 rupees. Then what you did, you switched to CBO, where you kept 2000 rupees budget of this entire campaign. Okay, this is the campaign budget which you kept. But when you kept 2000 rupees budget, you waited for 3 days and then you observed that your entire budget of 2000 rupees on daily basis is spent on this 2 ad set only. But when you look back for the data, you also observed right before changing your ad set and campaign from ABO to CBO, the ad set 1 was giving you the CPA of 100. But after changing it to CBO, it has stopped getting any impression. There can be endless reason for that. Two major reasons which I'm going to give you. Number one, the audience size will be very small. Number two, it might have overlapping audience with any one of this interest. It might have. I'm not sure, but it might have. So what we do, we pause this. Any which ways it is not getting impression. So we pause this in this campaign and we launch new campaign, which can be your campaign 2. And in that you launch this same ad set and you run it for 3 to 4 days and you see if you are getting similar results to this CPA or not. If it is expensive, for example, you were generating at 100 rupees, but now you are generating at 300 rupees. That means there is an overlapping audience in this particular interest. So it doesn't make sense to spend your own money and compete with your own self from different campaign and different interest. So then what you do, you pause this. But if you get results and if you keep getting results, for example, now you are not getting at 100 rupees, but you are getting at 200 rupees. But you need to notice one thing, that you are spending more money now. When you spend more money, you make more money. Isn't it? Yes or no? Ria, are you sleepy? You need to have some coffee. You need to have some coffee. Chalo. Everyone clear about ABO versus CBO? I want to ask you 2 questions. Which audience strategy or which budget strategy, not audience strategy, budget strategy you are going to start with? Which budget strategy you are going to start with, ABO or CBO? ABO के साथ शुरू करोगे. Okay. For how many days you are going to run this ABO campaign? How many days? 5+ days. Those who are saying 3 days, no. 4 to 5 days, ideally 5+ days. I run it for 14 days. My budget is huge. My scale is huge. Don't compare yourself with me. Okay? Second thing. Once you find out after 5 days what you are going to do, for example, what you are going to do afterward, switch to CBO. Okay. When you switch to CBO, after 3 days, what you need to do? Unmute होके बोल सकते हो यार. You can unmute yourself. Anyone? Check results and find out the ad set which is not getting impression. If it was working for us, we are going to launch that in new campaign. Host is not allowing to unmute. I need to check that setting. Chalo, we'll check that setting at the end of the session. Okay? Abhi jaane do usko. It will take 5 to 10 minutes. So let's move forward. Done with ABO, CBO, done with campaign objective. Now, when you do that, one thing which you will be observe is conversion location. Okay? Everyone, I don't care about what you do, what you sell, how you sell, where you sell. Everyone will need a website or a landing page or a product page. I don't care. Simple hai. I don't want to explain anything. I just don't care. Everyone clear about this? Yes or no? But Navin, to generate leads, we have a lead form option. Why can't we select lead form option? I don't want you to select lead form option. Simple hai. We are going to go for website. Where you find this option? Right after selecting your finding this ad set level, you come to, campaign level, you come to ad set level. This is for lead business. You come to this conversion, you find conversion location, you go for website. You can generate leads through Instagram, WhatsApp, calls, apps, instant form, messenger. नहीं करना हमें वेबसाइट से करना है. ठीक है. सेम फॉर e-commerce businesses, which will be website. Awesome. We come here. That is done. Now coming to audience targeting. Where is audience targeting? Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. We find audience targeting, right? Now, guys, there are few things which are fundamental in business, right? There are few things which are fundamental in audience targeting. Now, it's not that I will teach you something which will be out of the world. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. Simple audience targeting होती है, fundamental audience targeting होती है, जो आपको करनी होती है. It's just about the communication which you do your customer, the way you convince them. So Himanshu is also reaching to marketing people. I'm also reaching to marketing people. Those who will be able to convince the marketing people to buy my course or his course is going to win. So your competitors are also targeting the interest which you are also going to do, which we also know how we can find out our competitors' interest. Now, the most important thing is what type of strategy I want you to use. There is a task which I want you to do, okay? And that task is, you come to my course and you come into audience mastery. Audience mastery hai. There are lessons which I want you to watch. Saved audience part 1, saved audience part 2, saved audience part 3, saved audience part 4. These are the 4 lessons I want you to watch. Okay? Now, who will run which kind of strategy that we are going to discuss now? If you are targeting entire country, you are going to go for one filter strategy, which is one filter strategy, part 3, right? एक बार नहीं समझ रहा है 10 बार देखो, 10 बार नहीं समझ रहा है 100 बार देखो, सब समझ जाएगा. Okay? Second thing, if your targeting location is city or a state or particular place, you are going to go with multi-interest strategy. Where is multi-interest strategy? Part 2. Everyone clear about audience targeting? Please repeat what all course. Praveen, if you are part of my advanced masterclass, you have the access of this course, which is known as Facebook and Instagram Advanced Program. यहाँ पे you click on continue study, you scroll down, you find audience mastery, you click on expand, and you find first, out of first 5 lessons, you need to find second, third, first, you will need to find second, third, fourth, fifth, which is part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4. यहाँ पे you need to watch every single lesson. All these 4 lessons you need to watch. But which strategy you need to use, that will be decided by your conversion location. If you are targeting entire country, which can be India, Australia, koi bhi country, you need to go for one filter strategy. If you are targeting very specific place like Mumbai, Kandivali, a city like Delhi, Maharashtra, or Rajasthan, you go for one filter strategy. What should be the priority, guys? We need to make sure. If you are targeting country level, your audience size will be more than 1 lakh, no doubt about that. But when you will be going for multi-interest strategy, try and make sure that your audience size is more than 1 lakh. Keep that in your mind. Okay. Use different combinations, different options to create your audience, which should be more than 1 lakh. How do I find my audience size, Navin? On the right side, you will be able to find estimated audience size. उसमें से go through कर देना. It is more than 1 lakh. सिटी पे टारगेट कर रहे हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई एम गोइंग टू टारगेट let me target this place, right? Now it is 5 lakh, but the moment I change the age, depending upon my target audience, right, it is around this. The moment I add any interest, for example, I'm going to add one interest, which will be marketing. Wow, everyone in this location is interested in marketing. Very rare. I want to go very specific, which is business B2B. Why we are seeing this? We are making some mistake. No, we are not making any mistake. Chalo, let me remove this and let me go for behavior. Okay. So one thing which I am able to understand, that it is trying to do advantage targeting on this location. One thing. Very good. Acha ye ho gaya. So I'm going to help you understand one more thing related to very specific location. Now, when you do very specific location, because Facebook want to spend its money, what Facebook will do, कि तुम तुम्हारे हिसाब से targeting लगा दो. You do interest-based targeting, you do gender-based targeting, you do age-based targeting, but my first preference will be your targeting categories which you have selected. But what I'm going to do, I'm not going to be restricted to that location. If I find opportunity, and if I'm not able to spend your hard money on these people, I will try to look for different people. That it will do. But your priority will be that specific people which you have selected. Clear hai? Can we target multiple cities with multi-interest option? Yes, you can do that. Very good question, Darshit. One question, when I try to select state in India, it only shows as country, not state. नहीं, ये तो फिर आप गलत कर रहे हो. You are not doing it properly. So for example, if I'm searching for Maharashtra, I'm able to find it, right? Maharashtra as a state, right? Maybe you are making some error in spelling. एक बार देख लो उसको. When I select state in India, it only shows as county, not state. Country. You are talking about country. You can select about a country, right? You can select for an entire country, which is India. Which state you want to target or which country you want to target? Let me know in the Zoom chat, Pramod. I will help you. Let's take that example. Maharashtra, simply Maharashtra ko search karo. I search for Maharashtra. I've selected that. So you are saying when I select the country, when I select the state, I cannot select the country. This is what you are trying to say. When you select the country, you are not able to select the state. And when you select the state, you are not able to select the country. This is what we are trying to say. Yes or no? I can see Maharashtra, but at the extreme right, it shows as country. Let me see that. Acha, you are saying when you search for Maharashtra, like I'm going to search for Maharashtra. It is showing country and not state. What I want you to do, I want you to select that and see this map. ये map में कहाँ पे आ रहा है? If it is coming at Mumbai end, that means you have selected the state and not country. For example, if I select this as a country, it should be the center of India, right? ऐसा होगा. Okay? Personal ad account will do, or business account needed to run campaigns. Personal will also do, but business is a best practice. Everyone clear about this audience targeting, which strategy you need to use and what should be your audience size? Yes. Pramod, you need to check. Yeah, Praveen, I got that point. I guess your ad account is not Indian ad account. So Pramod, what you can do, you can go for a different ad account, which I'm going to ask you to go through this lesson, this chapters, business manager mastery. Here you will be able to understand all the important settings and you will be able to do it. Okay. So Pramod, what we can do, we can discuss about this later on in the Q&A. Sure. Just keep that in your mind. We'll take that. Solve करके ही सोएंगे आज. Coming to the next topic, which is budgeting. Okay. Now, these are the simple budget which I want you to start. Lead generation business will start from 400 to 800. You can keep any budget from this. You can start with 800, 850, 870, sorry, 480, 450, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800. 800 से ज्यादा नहीं रखना है बजट और 400 के नीचे मत रखना. Okay. Same for sales business. 600 to 800. Per ad set, correct. Per ad set. Correct. सना वो फ्यूचर में सीखेंगे, not right now. It's about optimization, scaling. At that time, we will be learning about that. We will be learning about that. Best CPC, which is cost per click, क्या होगा? It's क्या होगा, I guess, for quality lead. Harshida, the question is very wrong. ठीक है? That what can be the best CPC for quality leads? Very bad question. Very wrong question. Okay. Now let's discuss about this. I can help you get CPC of less than 1 rupees, but you will not be able to make any sales. I can get CPC of 100 rupees, but I will make sure that you will make more than 5 sales. Right? So CPC to just a matrix. Okay. Few things keep in your mind when you run the ads, and specifically for lead generation business, always keep one thing in your mind. You should not focus on cost per lead, but you should rather focus on cost per quality lead. I'm going to repeat it once again. Lead generation business, if you are selling sales, if you are selling consultation, if you are selling services, or if you are selling very expensive product like real estate, or you are selling for example mattresses worth 1 lakh rupees, 2 lakh rupees, or you are selling any beauty product जो बहुत ही ज़्यादा expensive है, you are selling shopping bags which is worth of lakhs of rupees, your cost per lead as a metric will be always useless. Okay. Every single month, get a data sheet from your sales team, or if you call yourself, get that interested wala column. Okay. Filter that, find out how many people were interested. For example, you find out 1,000 people were interested. Acha, how much money I have spent? I have spent 1 lakh rupees. What is my cost per interested leads, or what is my cost per lead which are interested? You will get X number. Next month you do same thing, and then you find out that your cost per lead is decreasing, but your cost per interested lead is increasing. So what you need to do? You need to work on your ads. Then you need to work on your communication. Then you need to work on your targeting, where you are trying to get very specific people. Lead generation business, this is for you because you don't have that ROI ka metric on your dashboard itself. But that you get on for sales business, you have every single thing in front of you on dashboard. For example, if I am running this campaign, okay, I have all the metrics in my dashboard. What is my cost per purchase? It is 560 rupees. Is it feasible for me? Yes, it is feasible for me. It is not feasible for me. 700 is not feasible for me. 1400 is not feasible for me. Let me pause it. Let me keep this active. It is very simple for lead generation business, but it is not that simple for lead business. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि you change the business and you go for e-commerce business. You just learn the right way to do it. Clear about budget? Sales can be chosen for low price product like 1,000 or 1,500 food product, honey, etc. Example, yes, you can do that, Praveen. 100% you can do that. कुछ क्वेश्चन है? Interior design service है. Yes, interior design is a service. So there are two things, Riya. Interior designers also sell products. So when you are selling products like that Buddha का statue, फिर तो कॉल नहीं लगाना है ना, वो तो प्रोडक्ट ही है, फिर तो हम e-commerce वेबसाइट से बेच देंगे. We will be able to sell. So same business can have different type of objectives. It just depends upon what you are selling. Now people will be like, what I should do for my interior designing business, which Riya has not asked. I am very fortunate for that कि वो सर्विस मेंशन कर दिया. But people are like, इंटीरियर डिजाइनर का बेच रहा हो बिजनेस में, वो क्या करूं? Like the question is not right. Everyone clear? Can we move to ad copy? Budget decide कर लिया. ऑडियंस डिसाइड कर ली, placement will be always advantage, so we are not going to discuss about this. We don't have to do any changes anywhere. Okay, now many people will be like that, Navin ये pixel select नहीं किया Navin, how do I select pixel जब सीखेंगे तब select करना बता दूंगा कैसे करना है और क्या करना है, अभी pixel का काम नहीं है. Okay, now coming to next point, which is next. Now when you do next, one thing which you need to do is you need to select your Instagram account and Facebook page. If I am using this particular Facebook page, okay, this Facebook account, I will be able to see all the Facebook page which I have in this ad account, in this Facebook account, right? I have 4 pages. I will be able to see all the 4 pages, right? जितने account मेरे, जितने pages मेरे Facebook account में है, I will see all that pages. Everyone clear? Simple. Now, what many people will do, many people will run the ads without connecting their Instagram account. But you are not going to do that, because when people will come on your Instagram account, they will try to message you, they will try to like your post, they will become part of your community, or they might follow you, right? So what you do, you connect your Instagram account for the very first time. You don't have to do it every single time. For example, I have already connected my Instagram account from this particular main Facebook account, right? This is my main Facebook account, Navin Parmar wala. Yahan pe I come here, I click on create, I click on sales, I click on continue, I click on ad set level, right? I select my page, I will be able to find my Instagram account automatically. I don't have to connect every single time my Instagram account. It will be done automatically. Just need to connect once, and then the rest things will be taken care by Facebook itself. Once you do that, you come down, and then you will be finding ad creative and ad copy. There are 2 things which you will be finding, and you need to work on that. The very first thing which we need to work on is ad copy. Okay. There are 2 strategies which I'm going to ask you to follow to create and write your ad copy. And for that, I am going to give you Chat GPT prompt. Okay. Zyada mehnat nahi hai, but I want you to understand the ad copy framework. The very first strategy to write your ad copy is AIDA, which is where you first grab the attention of your target audience, then you try to indulge them in your product or service, where you try to evoke that interest, then you evoke that desire that they need your product or services, and then you ask them to take action. A simple sa example tha. Let's try to learn with the help of definition. First, with the help of attention, you capture users' attention with the bold statement or question. Now, what is bold statement? Meaning of bold statement is जहां पे तुम लोगों के बिलीफ तोड़ोगे उसको बोल्ड स्टेटमेंट बोला जाएगा. Where you break the belief of people. For example, if I am trying to help people lose their weight, and if I say that you don't need to stop eating what you love, but you can still lose your weight, attention आना ही है. You want to lose your weight? Yes. Listen to me, but pay attention to this, that you don't have to stop eating what you eat. Curiosity आई ना, attention आया ना थोड़ा. Okay. You want to buy property in Mumbai, but you no need to spend in crore. Attention आया. कुछ तो ऐसा बोल दिया जो नॉर्मल नहीं है, right? Best way. Navin, I am not able to come with a bold statement. Ask question. Simple. Can you ask question for your product? Can you ask question for your service related to your business? Are you looking for a property in Mumbai? Are you looking for an interior designing service for your next dream house? Right? Bold statement. You don't need to spend lakhs of rupees to get best interior designing. Not able to create this statement, but aisa, you can do that, right? Say something which your customers will not believe on the first place. Or ask question. Because whenever we ask question, we get answers. Okay? No matter how stupid the question is, people will give answer. Okay? This is how you grab the attention. Then, what you do, you provide bit of information about your offering, right? And make it relevant to the user. Always remember, relevancy will sell more compared to any other thing. Okay. If as a user, I don't feel relevant to your product or service, I will just keep your ads, because every single day I see infinite number of ads and I am irritated with ads, to be very honest. Yes or no? Are you irritated with the ads? Still you buy online. Still you fill the lead form. क्यों करते हो? Because of relevancy. You think that you need that. Okay? So you need to create some relevancy. Then relevancy हो गया, attention आ गया, तो अब क्या है? The only thing which is missing is the desire. Desire of that I need this. Okay? And when they think and when they have the desire of that they need this, you tell them, chalo bhai chahiye, take the action, click on my ad. As simple as that. Simple formula hai, simple framework hai. Yes. Will you be able to write ad copy for your ads? Can you do that? Awesome. This is one formula. Okay. The second formula is problem, agitate, solve, which is also known as PAS, where you identify a challenge or a pain point of your audiences which they face. Now, one thing which you need to keep in your mind, the problem which is faced by your audience should be relevant to your product and service. आप बेच रहे हो इंटीरियर डिजाइन की सर्विस और आप उनके फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम की केयर कर रहे हो, वेरी रॉन्ग. इंटीरियर डिजाइनिंग सर्विस बेच रहे हो तो उसके रिलेटेड क्या प्रॉब्लम है? थिंक अबाउट दैट. यू आर सेलिंग अ हाउस, ठीक है, तो केयर अबाउट व्हाट पेन पॉइंट्स और चैलेंजेस दे विल बी हैविंग और दे आर फेसिंग रिलेटेड टू योर प्रोडक्ट एंड सर्विस. सेकेंड थिंग, नाउ व्हाट यू नीड टू डू, दैट द प्रॉब्लम दे आर हैविंग, उसको हमको और बड़ा चढ़ा के बोलना है कि भाई ये जो प्रॉब्लम है ना, ये तो बहुत ही खतरनाक प्रॉब्लम है. योर लाइफ विल गेट वर्स विद दिस प्रॉब्लम. ओके, बिकॉज दे ऑलरेडी नो दे हैव द प्रॉब्लम. नाउ यू टेल देम कि तुम्हारी प्रॉब्लम तो बहुत ही खराब है. देन व्हाट यू डू, अच्छा तुम्हारी प्रॉब्लम खराब है, ये लो ना, मेरे पास प्रोडक्ट है उसके लिए, आई हैव अ सर्विस फॉर दैट. Now, this will be done in such a way that your customer will not find this, because ये सारी चीजें स्टोरी से होने वाली है, right? Now, I am teaching you this in a raw way, so you might find that this is very unethical और ये बहुत बुरा है. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. आपको भी हमने वही बोल के लाया हुआ है इस कोर्स में, इस प्रोग्राम में, ठीक है? Whatever you buy an iPhone mobile, iWatch, whatever you have a book, anything are sold to you in this way only. Why you buy a book? Have you ever read any self-help book? Why? कभी तो लगा हो ना मेरे जीवन में कुछ तो खराबी है जो ये बुक सॉल्व कर सकती है, right? There is nothing wrong with this. So these are the two strategies which I want you to use. But Navin, I'm not good at writing words or writing copy. No problem. We will use ChatGPT. Here is a prompt which I have created for you. Okay. So what we do, we write this. VR. Okay. VR. Whatever you see in bracket, you need to fill that. You need to fill that depending upon what you sell. So we are XYZ. For example, we are an online education company. We are interior designing service. We are dental clinic, right? Us based in Mumbai, based in Kurla, kahan pe bhi, mention your location. Then what you say, please write Facebook ad copy. Now, no need to write Instagram yahan pe. Only write Facebook ad copy. Okay. If you write Instagram, ChatGPT will give you two different ad copy for Facebook and Instagram. Lot of confusion. हमको नहीं चाहिए ये. Okay. Write Facebook ad copy for my what? It can be a product. It can be a service. Now, one thing which I want you to do is I want you to explain that product in detail. Just don't write that I want ad copy for my shoes. What kind of shoes? Right? For my product, which is running shoes for XYZ, right? Whatever the features are there, or whatever the quality of product is there, explain that in over here. Then what you do in this option, which is PAS, you are either going to use PAS strategy or you are going to use AIDA. You just need to mention PAS. ChatGPT will be able to understand automatically, or if you write AIDA, it will be able to understand by using AIDA add copy strategy. Then whatever targeting audience you are going to use on your ad set level, by going through my course, you are going to explain your target audience in the last line. So example, we are online shoes brand, Rich Wear, which is my brand name. Please write Facebook ad copy for my product, which is gym shoes, using PAS ad copy strategy. My target audience is men who want to work out on daily basis. Clear, everyone? Yes, simple है. Where is the ad copy? Here you go. Let me copy this. Let me do for you. Let me write one ad copy for you. Chat GPT यहाँ पे है. I just simply write copy paste. I have my ad copy. Problem, agitation, solution. Tired of the shoes that can't keep up with your daily workout. Problem है. We know how frustrating it can be. Emphasize कर रहा हूँ problem को, right? Discomfort, reduce performance, Solution. Step into game changer. Meet RP Rich Wear gym shoes, especially crafted for men like you who demand excellence in every workout. Simple. Navin, can I use this as it is? No, you cannot use as it is. You need to make few changes. If you think you need to add your brand name in a different way, you need to add your product name in different way, do that. Okay. Simple. Yes, we'll be able to write. This is your one of the task. We are going to discuss about your task, but this is one of your tasks which you need to complete. Now, next, you will be able to write that ad copy in this particular section. Once you write the ad copy, you need to come to this level, which is primary text. You are going to enter this ad copy into primary text. अभी यहाँ पे you need to remove this word, which is problem. This is not we are going to write, right, in the ad copy. We are going to remove this. So this will be our ad copy. Don't you think this ad copy look very boring? कुछ highlighted नहीं है. Nothing is bold. Yes or no? Let's highlight few important keywords, isn't it? Let's highlight few important keywords. For that, we are going to use this font changer tool. Okay, font changer tool. What you do, for example, I want to highlight this keyword, which is keep up with your daily workout. Okay, I want to make this bold. So what I do, I paste this. Okay, I scroll down and I find this font. Okay, I just click on this and it will be able to copy the entire font and text, and I will be able to paste it. Awesome. Important font, important keyword in bold text. Yes. Where is this? Where am I at creatives? Let me find that. Yeah. Let me show you something. Can you see this? Important keyword in bold text without any prior knowledge, using your own WhatsApp, right? No need to. So it's not that every single thing you bold, but important keyword with your understanding, you will be making them bold. Simple, clear. Can we move forward? Now, let's talk about the next thing, which is ad creative. Okay. Now, there are few things which I want you to keep in your mind. ad creatives does not require lot of effort. In case you think that, you are wrong, because number one thing which you will be able to find with the help of your competitor research is what kind of ad creatives are working. So you don't have to invest a lot of time in design thinking. ठीक है, डिजाइन को सोचने में समय मत बर्बाद करना. Okay, one thing, if possible, this is not mandatory, but if possible, try to get your ad that should not look like an ad. It should look like an post. Okay, with people can engage. It can be informative, it can be curiosity driven, but try to do that. It's not mandatory. If you see more of my ads, 50% of ads look like an ad. But if your ads look like an ad, but you are still able to convince, it will work. But if you can try somehow, where for example, I have seen my student create a video from selfie camera and they are able to book consultation, they are able to book services. For product business, it doesn't work that way. If you are selling a product, it should be more of a polished ad, right? So that you need to keep in your mind. Praveen, I need to collect that. Okay, so in today's session, won't be able to do that. Next May, we can do that, of course. First point clear. Okay. Now, one thing which you need to make sure in your creative, that your main keyword should be highlighted. It's an interior design service, dental clinic service, shoes as a product. You are selling a raincoat. You are selling digital marketing service. That is your main keyword. उस पे सारा ध्यान जाना चाहिए. Let me show you that. What I'm selling, GMB, something related to Google. Google my business, right? Google my business. Where is WhatsApp? Top of Google. Facebook ads, Facebook lead sales. It should be number one focus. They will be reading the ad copy. They will read your text on creative. When they do that, they need to know that you have something which they need, because you are going to reach out to very specific audience who is interested in what you sell. Now it's just about convincing them with the help of creative or ad copy. So single focus point will help you grab their attention. Now the third point is for design. Okay, simple will convert. Now many people have seen my ads. Few ads are very like, it takes a lot of time investment, right? Now if you see this ad, this is very simple ad, very simple ad. ना फेसबुक का लोगो है, ना स्किल नेशन का लोगो है, but this is highest converting ad which you can even imagine in your life. Very simple ad, right? So simple will convert. And when you create simple creative in terms of design, always make sure you talk about end results. Whether it's about your ad copy, whether it's about creative, or whether it's about landing page or product page. Talk about end result. What is talk about end result? I teach this every single time, that people don't want to buy your product or service. They don't want to buy the features of your product or service. They want to buy what they will be getting after using your product and service. What is the end result? मेरे को आपकी इंटीरियर डिजाइनिंग की सर्विसेज से कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. How my house will look. Can I boost my social status? ठीक है. Correct. Now, end result for every single product will be 4. No matter what you sell, your end result will come from these 4 things. Money, relationship, health, and social status. No matter what you sell, you have any example, give me, and I will connect your end result out of anyone from this four. Kurti, social status. I want to look good in front of other people. Or if you are selling cheap kurti, it will be money. It depends what is the price as well, of course, for the same product. Okay? Job oriented IT course, it's money. Software, it's money. It will save my time. Status, Ria, it's status. I have given the example. End result. I don't care about your services. What I care about is how my house will look. Will people appreciate my house? Everyone know we create house or we do any kind of thing in our house. We invest most of our money in the hall room. Why? Because most of the guests will come and stay in the hall room. It's a status. Status है, घर कुछ नहीं है, status है. You see my place, it's white. सिर्फ white दिखेगा आपको पीछे. Right? So if you want to sell me your service related to interior designing, you won't be able to sell to me, at least on social status. That you also need to think. Is that clear? One more thing which I want to add over here, it can be time. Time saving. ठीक है? Manufacturing and export for leather goods, how you are helping them? Let me know about this. You are helping them save money, make money, or save time. क्योंकि यहाँ पे तो status नहीं आने वाला. Money and style, right? Money will be more focus should be on money because it is wholesale related product. Everyone clear about end result for your product, your service? Guys, I know you by your name and by your face. Okay? If I ever see your ads where you are selling features, I will comment pathetic ad. ये मेरा comment आएगा आपकी ad के ऊपर. Pathetic ad. This is what you are going to get. And you cannot delete my comment. If you ever sell by mentioning feature, we give interior designing service in 30 days. अरे नहीं चाहिए 30 days में भाई, क्या करूंगा 30 days का? Able to understand this? Digital transformation in agriculture. Let me think about it. ये थोड़ा यूनिक है. Digital transformation in agriculture. Relationship नहीं. You can associate digital transformation in agriculture with health and money and time saving. Right? You are transforming with the help of technology the entire industry, which is agriculture. How it will help? Maybe it will be cheap. Maybe you will be able to do much more work by saving a lot of time. Right? And when you do that, you will not use chemicals. So that will also lead to health. Isn't it? Interesting, right? So this is how you think about your brand. Now I have heard for the very first time about the product, but I'm able to come up with this. Okay? But don't sell the features. Your customers may tell you that I took your service because you were giving me the service in just 30 days, or you were able to do this, or you were able to give me X thing in your product, but they are lying to you. Trust me, 6 साल से कर रहा हूँ. Customers आधे झूठी बोलते हैं हमें. So we are not going to sell features, but we sell the end results which they really care about. Okay. Now you need the inspiration. You need to create the ad creative, right? How you do that? You will be creating the ad creative on Canva. Very simple tool, but you will take inspiration from this app and this platform, which is FreePick. Where is this platform? Come here, FreePick. Okay, हम यहाँ पे FreePick पे आएंगे. To take inspiration, we don't have to give a single rupee. You need to search about your brand. Give me about your brand. Kuch, any keyword, let me know in the Zoom chat. ठीक है. Let me search about this. Let me search about this. Okay. Now, when you do this, what you need to do, there are multiple filters on the left side. You need to select that. Okay, because we want the inspiration, we are going to select for the square. Very important thing, right? Then you will be able to find this. Now what I want you to do is, when you scroll down or when you go through this, you need to find creative types of collection. You need to find creative types of collection. For example, child education. Now, the keyword which I have got, software testing, is that is the reason I'm getting this kind of creative, but you need to elaborate your keyword, okay? Child education course. I'm going to mention course, which is missing. So I'm going to mention course. Now I'm able to find this kind of creative, right? That you will be able to find this. When you scroll down, when you select this, you will be able to find this kind of creatives. Now this is inspiration for you. So you need to understand that I need to have my image in this particular section. I need to put text in this way. I need to have my CTA button over here. So this is for inspiration. Is that clear? Now, can I download and can I use this tool? Yes, you can do that. But if it is free, you will be able to do. If it is paid, you need to buy the subscription, monthly subscription of this tool. Plus, when you download this, you need to have Photoshop in your app, which is altogether a different skill. मुझे 6 साल में से, I guess I know little bit of Photoshop, but trust me, you don't require that. You can do that with the help of Canva also. You will get most of the templates on Canva as well. Everyone clear about this? Free pick. But I don't want you to directly go on Canva, because the inspiration which you will be finding on free pick will be mind blowing. Trust me. For example, if I search for real estate, the inspiration will be mind blowing. Can you see this? Any AI tool for direct edit to downloaded pics? No. No. Yes. Clear. Come to Canva. You come to home level, template, and then you search for your template. Okay. You will be able to find multiple options. You can search for the template in this particular option as well. Just like I'm searching for the dental real estate, you search for that in this particular option over search column. It is free. You will be able to use template which are not having this crown icon. Okay. If you see this crown icon, that means it is a paid template. You cannot use it. You click on this, it will be asking you for money. But if you don't see any crown icon, that means it is absolutely free. This option, absolutely free. You can click on customize. Then you can use the inspiration which you have got from free pick, and then you can use it here. Navin, can you teach Canva? बहुत simple है, कुछ teach करने की जरूरत नहीं है. There are elements, like if you want square, shapes के elements are here. Whichever element you want, take that element, change the size, right? Change the color from this particular option. Everyone clear? Everyone clear about creative? Guys, you need to create creative. Any confusion related to tool platform, abhi पूछ लो. You need to complete the task. Awesome. Then you create the creative and you come to add media level. You click on add image. You upload the image. You select the image, whichever image you want to select. For example, I'm going to select this image. Once you select the image, it will take some time to load. Once it is done, you click on next, and always remember on crop option, you are going to see this thing which is original, original, and original. Do not skip without selecting original. If you keep this, your ads will be seen by people on story and reels placement like this. Your money will be wasted. So don't do that mistake. Once that is done, next, and done. Keep this activated. Allow enhancement. कुछ ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं आता, I have seen. Keep this activated. You want to untick, untick. It will just change few brightness, few contrast or brightness. Everything else will remain the same. Then you click on done. and then you will be able to see your entire ad in this particular option. These are the things which you need to keep in your mind. Is that it? No. There are two things which are the most important thing. One is headline and the second thing is call to action button. Okay? What you are going to add in headline? What you are going to add in headline? You are going to add the call to action text. What you want them to do. Shop. For example, I want to sell shoes, or I can say explore shoes from our website. Explore, right? This is what I want my customer to do. Right? This is what I want them to do. You want more better inspiration? You are not able to come up with the right call to action text? Chalo, let's do audience research. Okay? You come here, you try to find out what type of call to action these people are using on their ads, right? Fashion 365 day best brand. Chalo, this brand is not useful for me. I want to find different product, different brand, right? Go back. Come here. Let me see on my ad. So this is how you will be able to find the text which is used by your competitor over here. In case you are not able to see any headline in this particular section, what you do, you click on see summary details. And when you do that, then you will be able to see the headline. Clear everyone? Very simple, but it should look like of more call to action. No details. कोई details नहीं देनी है. Call to action देना है. Details will be there in ad copy. Details will be there in creative. That particular place is for call to action. Then description need to be kept blank. No need to write anything. I don't write anything. You don't have to write anything. Okay. Then we come here, which is call to action. Lead generation business. You will be using learn more. If you have any kind of offer, then you need to use get offer. Varna, you will be using learn more or contact us. Learn more or contact us. Offer hai to offer, nahi to only and only this. Don't think about using anything else. People who are selling product, kuch nahi use karna hai. Only shop now. Those who are selling course, sign up now. Anyone who is not selling service, who is not selling consultation, who is not selling product, e-commerce product, and who is not selling education product. Anyone has any kind of confusion in terms of call to action? Call to action look very simple, but it is very important. 30% of people click on that call to action button. The button you see here, 30% of your target audience who is going to click on your ad will click on this button. Kuch bhi confusion hai, what will be for consultation? Already asked you to go for contact us or learn more. Like offer like Diwali offer or women's offer, barabar. It will go to that. But it's not that you have that offer on your website, but you don't showing that offer or communicating that offer on your ads. If you don't communicate about that offer on your ads, it is useless, it is irrelevant. Your customer will be like that. What kind of offer is this? Okay. Course sign up. Yes, course sign up. Any kind of confusion, guys? Chalo. Once that is done, now the only thing which is remaining is your destination, where you need to take people from your ad. Should you take them on website? Should you take them on product page? Or you should take them on landing page? I'm going to simplify for you. No one is going to take on website. Website पे कोई लेके नहीं जाएगा. When I say website, what is the meaning of website? What I have seen people do is they invest their 200, 500 rupees and they take people on their homepage. This is my company's homepage, skillnation.in. Okay. I am trying to communicate with them that buy my course, and I take them on homepage. Do you think people will have that much time that they will explore my homepage and then they will try and find my product and then they will buy that product? Less than 1%. Okay. Selling courses, selling products, physical products, digital products, your customer will go on product page. Which product page? Product page of the ad. You are showing one shoes, the exact shoes they should see when they click on your ad. I'm not even asking you to take them on a category page. What do I mean by that? Let me help you. We are just talking about e-commerce business. We are not discussing about lead generation business, so don't worry. Nike shoes, right? I click on this particular product ad and I will land on this product only. It doesn't make sense to land on this URL where I get different kinds of options. It doesn't make sense to land on this particular product as well. Why? Why I'm asking you to not take people on website homepage? Why I'm asking you to not take people on category page and just to take them on the product page itself? Because they have clicked on your ad by showing their interest for that specific product. If you give them more option, they will become more confused. They will have more confusion. More options always lead to more confusion. Have you ever in your life have gone with your mom for shopping? At least to buy sari for her. I have gone multiple times. If someone shows only 5 to 10 saris, she will buy quickly. The moment she get 50 plus option, भूल जाओ भाई वो नहीं खरीद रही है. More options leads to confusion. I give you 10 different options to create audience targeting. You will say, because of 10 different options, I'm not able to create audience. More option, more confusion. That is the reason I'm giving you very few options to create your ad copy, create your audiences. Clear hai everyone? E-commerce business. Navin, I have 100 different product. What should I do? Select 5 product which are highest selling product and run ads for them. As simple as that. E-commerce product, this is what you want to do or you need to do, where you take people on product page specifically which you are running on the ads. Now talking about people who are giving consultation or those who are selling services, you will be creating a landing page. Okay. Now, what is the difference between product page or a landing page? Let me show you that. Landing page is very concise and very precise. Okay. Your users cannot go anywhere from your landing page. They don't have any option to go on home page to find different products, different options from your landing page. Let me show you. You come on my product page, but this is not a product page. This is a landing page. Okay. Now, when you come here, you will not find any option to go on my home page or to find different products. You only get one option, that is to buy my product or to ask for inquiry. No option is there. How do we paste the landing page on the ad? You just copy, you create the landing page, you get the URL of your landing page and you paste that. You paste the URL. Where you paste the URL? Where is the ad? Let me cancel this. You come here and you paste over here, which is destination, and over here your URL. So when people will click on your ad, they will go on this particular page. Everyone clear about this? Yes. But product pages are different. For example, if I come on this, your customer will come on this page. They can go on your homepage by clicking on this logo. When they will scroll down, they will find different options of different products. That is okay. Product page should be like this. Everyone clear? Let me know in the Zoom chat what you are going to select. You are going to select product page or you are going to select landing page? Product page, landing page. Correct. Those who are selling services or consultation, landing page. Those who are selling e-commerce or digital product, product. Those who are selling e-commerce product where you have hundreds and thousands of product, then product page. But if you only have 5 to 6 product, I will suggest you to go for a landing page. Okay. Clear everyone? Chalo. Now let's discuss about the structure of your campaign. How you are going to structure your campaign. The very first thing which you are going to set up as a homework, this will be the end result. Okay, this will be the end result. You will be having one campaign. One campaign, that means you are going to select your objective, right? This is the only thing which you need to do on campaign. Now, in that campaign, there will be 3 ad sets. What is the meaning of 3 ad sets? You will be creating 3 different audiences for your targeting, right? Then in every single ad set and audience, there will be 4 creative. All the 4 creatives will be same in 3 ad set. So it will be like this. Let me create the structure, the entire tree for you. This is my campaign. Ad set 1, ad set 2, ad set 3. In ad set 1, there will be 4 creative. This same 4 creative will be in ad set 2. And the same 4 creative will be in ad set 3. This is your campaign structure. Few audience will be able to connect, audience 2 will be able to connect with creative 2 and 3. Audience 3 will be able to connect with audience 1, and maybe audience 1 will be able to connect with audience 2 and 3. You don't know. Is that clear? Different creatives to be used for different platform, is it? No. Same for creative. कोई कंफ्यूजन स्ट्रक्चर के ऊपर? No confusion. Let me show you now. What you do, once you set up the campaign, ठीक है, you come here, you set up all the campaign. Okay, you set up the campaign, you add the creative. First, you need to set up your one ad set. Okay, you create your ad set, you set up that, you add 4 creative. For example, once you add one creative, you have added one creative, you have added text, you have added headline, you have added description, you have done every single thing. Then what you do, every single is done right from add creative, add copy, destination, headline, CTA button. Then what you do, you come on this 3 line and then you click on duplicate. Okay, original campaign, duplicate. Now your one more ad has been duplicated. Now you come here and you just change the creative, because ad copy will remain the same, headline will remain the same, the CTA will remain the same. Just creative will change. Same, once that is done, you again click on this 3 and then you click on duplicate. Once that is done, so for example, this is my ad set 1. Okay, 1 ad set. Now what I'm going to do, let me name every single thing for you folks so you will be able to understand. Now, if you want to duplicate this without clicking on this three icon, dot icon, you can simply select this and click on Control D. वो automatically duplicate हो जाएगा. I do this. I don't like to do it manually, so I do like this. Okay. This is how I have duplicated. Then I will be changing the creative in every single thing. Then what I do now, you have added 4 creative, so you don't have to manually create 4 creatives again and manually add 4 ads. So what you do, you now duplicate the entire ad set only by clicking Control D, or you directly click on this 3 and then you click on duplicate. Then what I do, I come into ad set 2. Only image we have to change. Yes, correct. Then I come here, I click on 2, ad set 2 हो जाएगा मेरा ये. Then I need to change the targeting, because the targeting we need to use is 3 different targeting. If you see 3 ad set, which is 3 audience. Then again, I click on duplicate and then I change my third audience, which is ad set 3. Simple structure. Yes. And then what you do, you keep this. No need to click on publish. No need to launch it. Nothing. Why nothing? Because you will not be able to do if you don't have pixel. Okay. We are going to learn about pixel in next session or next to next session. Once that is done, then we are going to launch the campaign. Everyone clear? कोई सवाल? कुछ भी confusion? Same 4 creative in all 3 ad sets, but ad sets have different audience. Correct. Perfect. Awesome. Now, these are your homework. Number 1. We have understood to write ad copy using ChatGPT, but you will be writing 2 ad copy using AIDA framework and 2 PAS framework. Lalit Raj, I'm going to conduct a Q&A session. Please let me give homework. फिर हम लोग करते discuss. ठीक है? Now, why 2? Because Navin, we can just add one headline, right? Or we can just add one ad copy, right? No, you can add 5 ad copy in every single creative. I'm going to show you that right now. So whatever ad copy you are going to write, you are going to come here. Okay, you are going to select your image right before duplicating this, right? जो पहला creative you are going to set up, in that only you need to do. You write your ad copy 1. Then what you do, you click on add text option. Then you get option of adding ad copy 2. Then you add your ad copy 3. And then you add your ad copy. Total 4 ad copy. 2 ad copy using AIDA strategy and 2 PAS strategy. Right? 4 ad copy we need to write, and we will be using ChatGPT. Navin, how can I do that? I'm just able to write 1 ad copy using ChatGPT. Can I write 2? You can write 1,000. Okay, you can write 1,000. For example, I got 1 ad copy. I just need to ask, give me 3 more options. And whatever changes you want ChatGPT to make in the ad copy, you can mention that and it will be making the changes. For example, the solution which ChatGPT has drafted for you, you think it should add XYZ more solution, then it will be doing that for you. And then you click on send and it will be writing 3 more ad copy for you using this strategy, which is PAS. Right? Option 1. No, I'm just helping you understand. You can have Ria, I'm just helping you. Lalit Raj, I'm going to come to your question as well. But Ria has a question related to this point. That is the reason I'm explaining. I'm explaining you that you can have multiple options and you can select the best option with your understanding. But you just need to use 2 PAS and 2 AIDA. Only 2. Everyone clear with this? Awesome. Okay. Your next homework is you need to create 4 ad creatives with different end results. You have got 5 end results from me. 5 motivational factor in life which are the most, which are the pillar to make any purchase decision, right? So you will need to have, or you need to use different end result, right? You don't know what end result might trigger your audience. You don't know that. I don't know that. So we are going to test different colors and different designs. If I see your creative one time, if you place all your 4 creative in one PPT presentation, all should look different. Why? Because if your customers see the same type of creative, they will ignore it unconsciously. Just imagine about it. The design is same, the color is same, but the content is different. And maybe they were not able to, you were not able to convince them with the content one, but you can convince them with the content two. You don't know that, right? So every single thing should be different. Third thing, you need to watch audience mastery course in my program. If you have not, if you have already watched, you still need to watch it. In audience mastery, you are going to watch these lessons. Saved audience part 1, saved audience part 2, saved audience part 3, and saved audience part 4. And you are going to create 3 different audiences using strategy for your business, which we have discussed. It can be one filter strategy, or it can be multi-interest strategy, which is one filter strategy or multi-interest strategy, right? And then you are going to set up the campaign, and you are going to record the video of your campaign setup, right from campaign objective to showing your audiences, to showing your budget, your creative, your ad copy. I mean, how can I record the video? You can record the video by installing this Chrome extension, which is Komodo. Okay? Komodo, I'm going to give you the komododex.com. You install this, okay? When you install this extension, you simply need to click on this. It will be showing you one pop-up here. You need to click on play and you will be able to do it. Record. Simply record ho jayega. Your entire dashboard will be able to, you will be able to record. Everyone clear about this? Clear about your homework? Homework, any confusion? Awesome. Great. We are done with learning. Any confusion? By the way, before we take any question, how was today's session? First session with me. Next week, again, I'm going to meet you. I know I give a lot of tasks, and these tasks are not template based. Set up your campaign. Trust me, you will be start generating results. Don't worry. Now, any confusion, need to ask anything, I can help you. Don't ask me that मेरे लिए मैं क्या creative use करूँगा. We have already discussed that, right? Can I ask my question about my website? Yes, you can ask. Everyone can ask any kind of a question. Those who want to leave can leave. Those who want to stay can stay. Okay? Just make sure you complete your task. Most powerful session till now. Thank you so much. Every session is powerful. Maybe you think it is not, but every session is powerful. How do I copy landing page? How do I copy landing page? I'm not able to understand this. You are asking me that how can I create the content for my landing page? This is what you are asking. Yes, you can unmute. Of course, you can unmute. Let me check for the setting. Just give me the option for unmute. Yes. Allow participant to unmute. Yes, you can unmute yourself.
Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
So I have a simple website which is hardly 2-3 pages from up to down, and I have my contact number and a form which I have created. So whenever you come to my website. So how can I add a specific part of that website, which will be just a form or something? Can I do that?
You can create the entire landing page. So there is a different thing, right? Skill Nation is a website. For example, you come on Skill Nation, it's a website, right? Now you can have a specific page which you can create, will not have your header, will not have your footer. Okay. So that you need to ask your designer that I don't want X thing on my landing page. What I'm going to ask you to do is do competitor research. Go on your competitor website, go on their landing page, and you will understand the structure, what they have and what they don't have. And that is how you will be able to create better landing page.
So I have designed it on Go by using Gamma, as you had taught us.
You will
Gamma
be able to make changes on that. Just you need to
uh,
do research. Okay?
of at either at Gamma or GoDaddy. My website is on GoDaddy. Like I purchased it from GoDaddy. So where do I do it?
GoDaddy is more reliable.
Okay, I'll check that. Thank you.
Welcome. Anyone?
Yeah.
Guys, people who are asking me to unmute wala option, hand raise wala, only hand raise page you are going to unmute. I don't know how we can do that. So just ask your question one by one.
Yeah, this is Kunal Navin.
Yeah, hi Kunal.
Yeah, here I have purchased a domain name from the website. And next step, what I need to take, like for e-commerce, I'm thinking about limited products.
You are part of my program.
Yeah.
Do you have advanced website building course access?
Yeah, I do have. So there we need to work. My question is like, should I go for landing pages or for the e-commerce website from the WooCommerce?
How many product you have?
Currently, I don't have much. I'm planning to have 5.
Number batao, sir.
Right now, 5 to 10.
What you need to go? Can you create separate landing page for each product?
Yeah, I can do that.
You have the answer.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Hi, Navin. Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
So I wanted to ask about Canva. Actually, there are very limited options when you use the free version. So is
Yes.
it better to pay for the Canva or is free version sufficient?
आपके क्वेश्चन में आपका आंसर है सर.
Okay, paid version.
It's not that paid version will work for you. If you think that there are limited options for your particular product, then paid version. If you think it's not limited, then free version works.
Okay,
I have
yeah.
Yeah.
One more question actually. Actually, my website is not functional right now, but I have website backup. So can anyone from your team help me out to get it back?
I will ask Himanshu to do something for you folks. I guess for this particular program, we have one bonus where we will be able to help you connect with different freelancers or people who can help you with different services.
Okay.
We'll ask Himanshu if we can share that with you folks by next week only.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Yeah.
Hello, am I audible?
Yep.
Okay, so hi Navin. I had one question. We need to set up the ad campaign. One campaign, 3 ad set or one ad set?
One campaign, 3 ad set, and four
Ad
creatives.
creatives in all the 3 same, right?
Same creatives in 3 ad sets.
Okay, and ad copies 4 ही लगाना है इसमें या फिर we
4
can...
mandatory to have 4 ad copies.
Okay, done.
In every single creative. Yes.
Hi Naveen, Praveen here.
Yeah, Praveen.
Naveen, the campaign, when it goes to the landing page, are you going to teach that what should be there on the landing page in terms of if we are selling a course or any particular?
Of course, yes.
Is that part of the next week or is it going to be
surprise?
Yeah, because the lead generation, once I do, when the leads are generated, what do I do? Like, should I take 3 fields only, 4 fields only? What to do?
We will be discussing that. Don't worry.
That'll be the next week.
That our
Surprise.
competitors using, can we find out if yes, then
I'm not going to reveal that.
Just like you mentioned, or we can see their ads.
Then I'm going to unmute. I'm going to mute for a sec. Once you want to say, please say. Okay. I want to talk about this, what we are going to do in the next session. Guys, you need to understand about this, that jo aaj sikha na, let's think about this. Okay. The reason I have asked you to not run the campaign is this. Website पे क्या होगा, क्या पूछूं, क्या बताऊं, ट्रैक कैसे करूंगा. I will take care of that. Don't worry. When I know that your ads will give you result or give you that money back, then only I will ask you to launch the campaign. Tab tak I will say no need to launch the campaign. Okay, Praveen and everyone.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Navin.
Yeah, Sana, you were saying something.
Navin, hi, this is Pramod here. If I
Yeah,
may.
Pramod.
Yeah, thank you. Navin sir, I have a startup, where we are providing puja services,
Services, not
services.
products.
Yeah, so basically you can call it as a software, puja as a service, like a product as a service,
Okay.
So basically we do pujas at 72 plus temples, but then that is a service. Puja is a service basically, right? And then we publish it like an event, So basically it's a product, but then it's a service kind of thing. Okay. Now, sorry to confuse in this whole thing, but it's an e-com thing. It's not a lead gen thing, of course. My question here is, sir, I already engaged an agency, for SMM, but we are not getting good ROAs. I purchased your programs and I have gone through your Facebook and these things, at least 2 times. And believe me, not just to, go through it, but then I paused it, I re-click on it again, I'm doing that. But then I'm still struggling, we are not getting more than 1:2 ROS, so if there is anybody who can help us, or if I may, जरूरत के माफ करना, लेकिन अगर आप अगर ये करते हो, सर्विस प्रोवाइड करते हो, तो I would be really happy, if you could join us, and partner with us. Sir, such me, sir.
Yeah, so couple of things. We are not going to discuss about services, but I will help you understand why you are not getting results. Okay.
Sure, sir,
You are
sure.
confused.
Okay.
Okay. Why you are confused? You think it's also a product and it's also a service. It cannot be that.
Okay.
Either it's a product or it's a service. I want to ask you, the puja you do, what is the cost of that?
Puja low ticket contest, sir. It's like around 750 rupees to 1,000.
You will never make money.
Yeah. Oh, you will never make money.
You will never make money. Why you will never make money? It's not about the ads or it's not about the strategy. Sometimes there is a fault in the business model itself.
Okay.
Right? So for example, if you have a 750 का product, Facebook भी तो कुछ कमाएगा ना sir?
Correct.
Right? वो आपको 70 रुपए में थोड़ी लाके देगा customer. Right?
Okay.
The second problem is that you need to invest your time. It's not a digital product कि 750 का product आपने दे दिया सबको और बोला खुद से पूजा करो घर पे.
Correct.
आपको physically जाना पड़ेगा.
Correct. That's a virtual thing basically. We get the puja organized by different priests.
You need to invest your time, right?
Correct.
So that is the problem. Now, when you go through my course, do I need to be involved in that particular process? Nahi na?
No, not really.
So that is the problem. My product, which is 10,000 ka product, is a low ticket product. I do agree to that, but I don't have to involve in that process. Same way, what you are doing is very cheap in terms of money. And that is the reason you are not going to make money. Why you are not going to make money? Because it's a product. It's not a product. It's a service which you are selling at a very cheap cost.
Correct.
So there is two things. Either you think about and you make it a product. Okay? You keep or you stay in this industry only, but you come up with different kinds of product which you can sell, where you don't have to invest your time, or you increase the price of this particular thing which you do. Are there people who charge 1 lakh rupees for one puja?
There are. Yes.
How you can think about it.
Okay.
750 में क्यों पूजा करूं? वो भी वही मंत्र बोलने वाला है जो मैं बोलने वाला हूं.
No, that's true. That's true. No, and what we thought is we wanted to first build our own brand and then we wanted to go for high ticket things.
You build brand while selling. मेरा life का एक philosophy है, Pramod sir. You build brand while selling. You never ever build brand and then you sell. Sure. You build brand and then sell. You will be out of business because we don't have any kind of funding from others.
That's true.
Right?
That's very true. Yeah.
So keep that in your mind.
Sure.
I'm not going to ask you to directly have a product and then try to sell it, but rather I will ask you to increase the pricing of your puja services which you do.
Absolutely.
Okay.
We'll definitely.
If you are not able to do it, then think about product.
Sure.
Because the skill which you have of selling can be used for anything.
That is true.
Okay?
Sure, sir.
Sure. Awesome.
And looking forward for some more guidance as well on this. But this is a serious eye opener. Thank you. Thanks.
Anyone? No one.
All this side.
Yeah.
Navin, actually, I just wanted to ask you that while doing this homework, in between, if we need some kind of help, how can we contact?
What kind of help? Like there are different kinds of help where you will require a technical help.
Yes,
there
yes,
are
technical help.
technical help. Do
Yes.
you have my course access? The course will help you.
Okay, but actually,
The very first thing which I want to tell you, Vishal, and everyone, is
Yes.
when you are going to create the campaign, there are very limited things which I have shared in terms of creating ad copy, creative. Now you will be like, while creating the ad copy, I have any confusion. I just want you to create that. Right? Acha bura kuch nahi hota. There is not good or bad in terms of marketing or in terms of creation. Whatever you are going to create with your understanding. Okay. So if
For
you see
example, I
my,
was stuck
let me
somewhere.
complete.
Okay.
Whatever you create it with your understanding, and over the period of time you improve things. So if you see, I will show you, I will get my first ever video ads which I have recorded with you guys, and you will not even believe that this is me, right? So even if you think your ad is bad, it is bad for you maybe, but not for your customer. Okay. Technical error you will not face because I have just given you limited options which you need to select. I have not given you the option of pixel selection or anything. When I'm going to teach you about very complicated thing, I will be coming up with the reference and help as well. You will not need. Don't think about it ki zarurat lagegi. Trust me. If you need any kind of help in the next session, you can ask and I will help you with that proper problem.
Okay, for example, I was going through the advanced Facebook Instagram mastery course, and I created an ad account. But after that, I don't know what I did, and that ad account was some permissions were deleted.
Restriction hua you.
Yeah,
Restriction,
restriction
right?
was there. No? When I am trying to regain the access, now it is saying that the invite has already been sent to this email.
So I have shared one link with you, which is to open your ad account, right? So you need to practice that particular thing in that ad account. I'm going to again share the link with you, copy this URL, okay? And that will be helping you to get the ad account up and running and use this to run your campaign.
Okay.
And complete your homework.
Right. Thank you.
Done?
Done.
Awesome. Anyone?
Yeah. Hello. Hi, Navin.
Hi, Darshit.
Yeah, mainly I help cybersecurity businesses to help them to build their presence, online presence, and to help them to generate leads, right? So, as you told that you have to first research about the competitors on Facebook ad library, but I can't find I can't find any competitors because there are no competitors like that. There are many marketing agencies, but the competitors in the same niche I can't able to find on Facebook.
Competitors nahi hai,
right?
and you think people are there who are ready to buy this?
Yeah.
Are you sure about this?
Definitely, I'm sure, because there are lot of companies are struggling with the same like digital presence, lead generation. So I can help them, and already
Awesome.
I'm helping many businesses. So
Awesome.
should I follow all the steps that you told in the class, right?
You need to follow all the steps, but first of all, it is not practically possible that you don't have any competitors, right? But consider that you think you don't have competition. Create simple communication ad where you talk about end result on your creative, on your ad copy framework you have, on your creative, everyone. If you think you don't have any competitors and no one is running or no one is there to compete with you, simple communication. This is what I have. This is how I can help you in your ad creative. Learn Facebook and Instagram ads. Khatam. Buy sport shoes for your gym workout. Khatam. Simple. Targeting, you will have confusion when you go through my audience mastery particular 2 lessons. You will be able to get the idea of your audience targeting.
Got it. Okay. So mainly there are 2 types of businesses I can target. Firstly, the business, those who are providing training in cybersecurity. And second is I can also target the trainers also, those who are like working single and they're providing trainings, right? I can help them too. So should I create firstly for the business, right?
Why you think you need to go for businesses only?
No, I will go
so
for the
the
trainers
question,
also.
You cannot so everyone, you cannot expect the ye kar lo ya wo kar lo answer from me or Himanshu. We will never do that, right? It's a very risky answer which we can give you. If I say business, and what if there is a huge potential in trainer side? Try both. दोनों साथ में parallelly try हो सकता है ना. There are 3 interests I am going to ask you to run. 3 audiences. Why? I don't know what will work. You don't know what will work. but I know what you can test, or I know how much you can test, or how much you need to test. So test, and testing will give you proper answer.
Sure.
Clear?
Okay. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Welcome.
Hi, Navin.
Hi, Ravi.
Hi. Thanks for all the good work, Navin. I really appreciate all
Thank
the
you
good
so
stuff
much.
that you do. Thanks for being available to us. One thing I wanted to ask you is I'm one of those people who do not have a business myself and aspiring to have one, and especially towards services, digital marketing, something like that. So when we had the initial session, but you said that you will also guide us, something like that. So I was looking forward, how did the process work for that?
Awesome. So you know what services you need to give, right? You need to give the services of Facebook ads and Instagram ads and Google and YouTube ads. Only take 4 skills. What you do is you just learn these skills, okay? Finding a client, selling a service is easy, but in digital marketing, to deliver what you commit is more difficult, okay?
Correct.
And that is the reason why businesses switch agencies.
Correct.
So
Okay.
one thing which I'm going to ask you to learn the skills which you have the course access, which you
Right.
can learn. Now, whenever we teach anything related to sales, related to selling, you consider that as your product or as your service, which is digital marketing. So you need to think how I can convince, which is low ticket, high ticket, average order value, which is going to come in future. You create a landing page, you create a website for your agency. Now that is your business and you need to create that a business. So there are 2 things which you need to think. Skill to seekhna padega.
Of course, yeah.
If you think I will hire someone who will run ads for me and I will make money, 5% success rate, 95% failure rate.
Yeah, that's not the idea for sure. Yeah, I want to do it myself. So that's the reason I've taken a course and then followed by got into this one. So yeah.
Learn skill. The only thing that will help you sell services or sustain or have a sustainable business is having a skill.
Definitely. Yeah.
You will be able to learn to sell. To be very honest, selling is the itna aasan hai selling, I cannot tell you. But wo jo delivery karni hoti hai na, it is the most like I don't have a Tesla as a car, nahi to main sabko bech दूं. Like having a product or having a service is the most difficult thing, not sales.
Right.
Okay. So have that as a skill and consider that as your business and you will be able to.
Okay.
With the learning of this program itself, you don't have to buy anything else. Mark my word. ठीक है, एक स्केल पे आके, एक लेवल पे आके फिर ही कुछ खरीदना. अब कुछ और खरीदने की जरूरत नहीं है आपको, रवि सर. Keep that in your mind.
I just rely on you, Navin. So that's the confidence you give to us. So thanks for that. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Hi, Navin. This is Raghav.
Yeah, Raghav.
Okay. Yeah, actually, I missed the beginning of the content due to parking. Okay, I missed majorly the check competitor research. So I need to check the competitor ad. I can see from where ad library, from there I got it. But first to navigate to that page itself is I missed that part.
Recordings.
Yeah.
Go through the recordings.
Okay. Second, website. My website is running, and is the website is ready to go with the landing page or not? Because my product is a single product and it has multiple modules. I can directly navigate to the product page, right? So I'm in a confusion whether can I take this website to the customers or not, whether it is good or bad.
That we are going to discuss, that if you go for a landing page or a product page, what should be there on your product page, and how you decide that it's a good product page or a bad product page or a good product page or good landing page or bad landing page. That we are going to discuss in future session. Chinta mat karo. No need to worry.
Yeah, one more question. Once we make the video, are we going to get the feedback on the video?
Video? No feedback on that. The reason why I have asked you that the reason why I'm saying no feedback is because, to be very honest, I will not know what will work. So I create 20 ads and out of 20 ads, 3 ads work. Look, if I know what will work, the entire 20 ads should work, right?
Yes. I am not asking about the ad.
Are you, so what I'm trying to tell you, Raghav, just keep this in your mind. When you create an ad copy or when you create a creative, okay, if I'm asking you talk about end results, right? There is one thing which you need to do. you know about your brand or you know about your product, what will be the end result? Yes or no?
Yes.
What feedback I can give on that?
No, no. Here, my point is my ad is working or not. Okay, like it is generating leads or not related to that. Whether I followed the right steps or not, did I miss anything? Like end result, I did not capture properly in the ad. So then we will not get the.
We will be able to do that. That learning session is still remaining. The tracking, the analysis, the cost per lead analysis, the optimization, that what you do. So we have just set up the campaign. Abhi tak humne sirf set up kiya hai. We have not even launched the campaign, right? Keep that in your mind. Once we set up that, why you are asking this question is because the learning is not completed yet to set up your campaign or to generate leads. There is one learning remaining, which is to create your pixel and to create your proper landing page structure, right? Or a product page. Once that is done, you will be running the ad. Once you run the ads, then you will be optimizing or scaling the campaign. Like you will understand, acha, ye chal raha hai mere liye. This is working for me and this is not working for me. So that learning is also remaining. So wo abhi tak I need to teach that.
Okay. Okay. Thanks.
Okay. That we need to yet to discuss about that. Yeah. In the campaign details, buying type should be auction or something else. Sudhir, I mentioned one thing right before teaching you or right before conducting this session. If I'm not teaching you something, that means I don't want you to pay attention on that. Remember, next call, also learn landing page creation and copywriting. Darshit, that we will discuss in the next session. Ye to complete kar lo. Complete this session, guys. Just follow the session, just follow the learnings, and then we are going to do it. Which landing page funnel builder do you recommend? That we are going to discuss in landing page session only, not now. Any question? Any confusion? I don't have a website or landing page and a homework may be mentioned nahi hai. So next class, yeah. You don't have to create a landing page or homework. Just add any URL. You don't have any URL, add my URL, navinparmar.in. Because you are not going to publish the campaign yet. Okay? Once we have the landing page structure, every single thing is ready for you, then you publish it after having a website. Keywords that our competitors are using through SEO. If yes, then how, sir? Just like you mentioned, how we can see their ads. Keywords that our competitors are using through SEO. That you search on Google. Now, if you are talking about what kind of SEO you can do, let me share my screen. Yeah, here you go. For example, you are can you please share 2-3 keywords, Sana? You are talking about SEO keyword research, right? Saurav, I'm going to do that right after this. Awesome. Till then, what I'm going to do, I'm going to discuss about the, for example, this is the campaign setup. Where is the campaign setup? Here you go. This is my campaign setup. First, I'm going to install this Chrome extension. Once I install the Chrome extension, then I'm going to click on this. And when I click on this, I'm going to see this green start recording button. Okay. I'm going to click on green start recording button, and then it will be asking me what I need to record. So I'm going to say entire screen. Then I'm going to record my screen, and then I'm going to click on share. Then you click on share, it will be saying your recording will start in 2, 3, 1. And then you are going to show your entire setting by clicking on this. And it is recording your entire screen, okay? So if you open the new tab, it will not record that tab. It will just record this tab. So come on the tab, then enable this, and then start your recording. And it will be starting the entire recording. You will be able to show all the setting. If you have selected XYZ page, if you have selected one budget, stay on this place. Then you come to audience level, then you stay on the audience level for 2 seconds. Then you come to your creative level. This is how you need to show all the learnings which we have discussed. Once that is done, what you can do, you can click on this red button, which is stop recording, and it will take you on new page where your recording will be saved. You wait for 1 or 2 minutes, and then it will be asking and giving you the option to save. You simply click on save, and you will be able to save the recording. And then you need to share that link. Which link? I'm going to show you. Just give me a second. Done. It is saying save and continue. Yes, save and continue. I have recorded this video right now. And then you are going to show your entire set. Here you click on copy link and you will be sharing this copy link in your task. Okay. Everyone clear? If you are not clear, go through the recording. Keywords that our competitors are using through SEO, can we find out? Yes, you can find that out, and you will be finding that in search engine optimization course intermediate to advanced, where we teach you how to do competitor research for SEO, how to do backlink research. Sana, I thought you were asking for Facebook. Okay. Just an appreciation message. Thank you so much, Navin, for this useful session. I never understood the difference between ads and set campaign and try to learn a lot of course. Immediacy, can't wait enough. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone. Check SpyFlu. If you're talking about the tool, there is SimilarWeb. There are SEMrush. There are multiple tools. But I want you to understand the process. Okay. You want tool ka recommendation, I can give tool ka recommendation, but you need to understand the entire process. Search engine optimization, Sana, for you and everyone. As I can see, you don't have any question, you are having a blank face. So what I'm going to ask you to do is, we are going to end this session. Thank you so much for attending today's session. I hope you have learned, and what I want you to do is, I want you to complete the task which I have given to you. Okay, make sure no one is going to launch the campaign or publish the campaign. Don't make that mistake. Thank you so much. I'm going to see you on next Friday. Welcome. Each and every one of you, welcome.